As you can see, we sent a code to devices where you are logged in. I've been waiting for a long time. Doesn't get any codes. As you can see, I only got a Instagram pop-up. Just tap on trying to log in to Facebook. Just tap on this message and confirm if it's you are trying to log in on another device. Select yes, it's me, and just write down this code 3885214 and then enter it on the device where you are trying to log in. Don't share. Just go to the Facebook and enter code. You just need to type 385214 385214 inside continue option, and you will be logging to Facebook, guys. And that's how I fixed the problem. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.